This is the spot we're at today. I already got my stuff set up, but this is where we're at. Let's see what we can catch out of here. Getting them today. The big old boy just smashed the glide bait. So pissed. Nice smallie. And I left my fucking scale at home, so I have no idea. He's 17 inches, that's what I got. But as for weight, I think he's probably 3. At least 3. Look what we found. Nice pike. Don't I wish I had my scales today? Fuck yeah. Well, we got the pike, but of one battle scar. He put that hook right through my knuckle. Luckily it weren't too deep. We got him, boy. Oh my God, look at him. He's a big boy. He's a big boy. Let's fucking go. Oh my God. Look at him. Let's go. I wish I had my scale. Look at him. 32. Look at him. Oh, good going, you buddy. That's fucking awesome. Woo! Let's go. If you want to catch monsters, you do not have to spend a shit ton of money. This was in the clearance rack at Dick's. I think this might have been $8, $9. And that's what he grabbed. Go get you some. Glide baits never disappoint.